This is the Unity Dance, a war cry designed to show the pride and power of Australia's best Indigenous rugby players as they prepared to take on their Māori rivals.
A war cry is a pre-game sort of cultural dance that we do before we play. It's to show respects to our culture and our ancestors, and also to unify our group.
Dean Widders is an Anawan man who played NRL for a bunch of different teams, and he's one of the people behind the Unity Dance.
As the oldest nation in the Pacific, we're really proud of our culture, and we want to represent that when we play.
Of course, you probably already know about this dance, which was also performed on the weekend. The haka is a ceremonial war dance or challenge that New Zealand sports teams perform before they play. There are lots of different haka, and they've always been an important part of Māori culture. But now they've become important to all New Zealanders and are performed in all sorts of situations to show pride, strength and unity. Some Aussies would like to see a similar celebration of Australian Indigenous cultures in sport. You might have even seen a few different examples. But finding a way to represent all of Australia's Indigenous nations isn't easy.
It's hard for Indigenous Australia to come up with one dance. You know, we're so diverse, we represent so many different nations all across this country, and so we got all the players in with some people who gave us advice on dance experts and cultural experts, and we workshopped and came up with a dance from the players that represents all of those nations across the country, because these players, they come from those nations. It represents everyone. It doesn't belong to just anyone, and we find it easy then that everyone's able to do it. It's universal across the country.
Now, Dean is pushing for the Unity Dance to be performed by all Aussie NRL teams, Indigenous and non-Indigenous, and the Players Association has agreed.
It belongs on the footy field. It's not a traditional dance. It's not law or any historical culture. It's a football dance made up of players that they perform to prepare for a game and showcase their culture. So, you know, the players wanted to give this as a gift to the Australian teams, and hopefully the Australian teams will learn about this dance and perform it. So, and we feel that it can empower the team, you know, and bring people together, which is the big thing that we want to do, is unite people and make everyone proud of Indigenous culture.